How to fix MW2 Mountain Dew code not working. 1. Try using a different, faster, internet connection. 2. Try putting Mountain Dew codes again. Three. Check MW2 server status. 4. Sign out of MW2 Mountain Dew codes and sign back in later. 5. Do not use Windows Power Saver mode while playing MW2. 6. Uninstall then reinstall your Mountain Dew codes. 7. Disconnect your device from any active VPN or proxy server. 8. Restart your device. 9. Ensure your device is compatible with Mountain Dew codes.